Okay.
So I have, this frame is just full of eggs, capped eggs, so they'll be hatching soon. And then over on this side, they've just laid a whole bunch of eggs. So, and if you come a little closer, John, in some of these frames here, I don't want to pull them out, they're so full of honey. They're just packed full of honey here. This is all honey. So, and I haven't even looked below these boxes, which maybe will do that. Make some room here, ladies. So here, I have empty frames still, which is interesting. So, see what these girls are doing. They haven't done anything on this side, but on this side here, they're just building combs. Give them a little. Interesting. So we'll just let them go. There's a lot of honey here. All honey in here. So we'll put them back. And then we'll check the next one. Go, girls. Kind of lets them know we're coming in. Girls. So it's been 2 weeks since I looked at them. And I think 2 weeks ago we put this box on, the second box. And they're just starting to build it up. This has got all honey on this side, and that's all honey.
Let's see the other side. Yeah.
It's all full of honey. And they haven't even really started. So they're doing good, but they haven't really begun on this box, this top box. So we could, if we wanted to. See, they haven't really done anything So I think we're just gonna, they're doing everything they're supposed to be doing, so we're just gonna let them be. Let them be. Ho, ho, ho. Lost my little